In this video, shortly, I'll show you how to step-by-step get a invoice on booking.com. So firstly, if you're a guest, log into your booking.com account, open your web browser and go to booking.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner, enter your email and password to log in. After that, access your bookings. Once logged in, click on your account name or icon at the top right corner, select bookings or my bookings from the drop-down menu. After that, find the relevant booking. Browse through your list of bookings to find the one for which you need an invoice. Click on the booking to view its details. After that, request the download for the invoice. Look for the options such as request an invoice and download invoice. Now we have another small tutorial, of course, for property owners. So open your web browser and go to the website, enter your property ID, username and password to log in. Navigate to Reservations tab. Once logged in, find the Reservation tab in the top menu. Click on it to view all your reservations. Another step, select the relevant reservation. Browse through your list of reservations to find one for which you need to generate an invoice for. Click on the reservation to view its details, and then generate the invoice. And then you can send the invoice to the guest. You can do it via email very easily. Thank you for watching this tutorial. As always, guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.